AMT-165R from Finland is not only fast but sturdy. The 5-person boat comes with different hull materials. Made from aluminium or GRP, it is a perfect choice for boating under 5 meters. The 3 silver Seahawk sister models are all made from super solid aluminium. The silver sisters have either a center console, come with a bow rider, or are equipped with a mini pilot house. The proven Terhi 480 has been given an all-weather extension with the new cabin version. The pilot house makes the Terhi 480 cabin a beginner's boat suitable for even family holidays.